storm. God knew we'd not be severed because we kept each other warm. And we still keep each other warm. And no one will really ever know us like we came to know each other. Looking within our eyes, we didn't even whisper words. We are the reasons why what only we have heard. I don't love you for any one reason. I just love you forever. In the daytime and the darkest night, to each other we were gifts. In the morning and the moonlight, there our lips would ever kiss, and our lips will always kiss. An eternal flame of loneliness in some shadows I could